Seems to be focused. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, welcome back to BNCRC. Got another big, exciting unboxing here. And a little not so exciting unboxing. They're both from Amazon. Got a little excited earlier because the dumb fuck Amazon driver left them over on the neighbor's front door. I had to go fetch this stuff. Been using Amazon as a go-to. Been finding you can score some pretty cheap shit off them there. So far, I've had decent luck with it. Got a couple of 20 kilogram servos. I've had great luck with the 25 kilogram jobbies with the red band around them. These are 20. They're supposed to be high speed, not so much high torque. I needed a upgrade servo for the Red Cat TR10 Piranha. So that's what one of those is for. This is a couple of servo sabers, servo horns, aluminum ones. Because I didn't really like the stock servo saber setup on that rig. This is a bearing set and a set of shocks for the Tamiya TT02 that I just got that I need to build. I don't think I did anything with that on here yet. Because who the fuck wants to see an unboxing for a kit? Alright. Now to the big box. I'm pretty excited about this big box. You may or may not share my excitement. I don't really care. This is about me, not you. That's kind of dickhead sounding, but I like it. Wasn't aware these were out. I was prowling around Amazon, came across it by accident. Hey, the box has been opened. Somebody already did an unboxing, the dirty rat sons of bitches. This is the HSP 10 scale 4-wheel drive on-road car. They've been around, the brand's been around a long time. The older one with the aluminum chassis support on top that everyone recognizes if they bought a drift car in the last 10 years from Red Cat or some no-name company. They were pretty much all HSP cars. The Red Cat Lightnings, the XC Drift Stars, actual XC, they probably put it on WL Toys. They also use that platform for 4-wheel drive buggies, 4-wheel drive truggies, monster trucks. As an on-road car, the original was fantastic durability-wise, but as the wheels and tires got bigger with the other versions of it, the durability went in the toilet. So I'm really kind of excited to see what this is because I really love the old HSP on-road car. And this one looks like quite a lot nicer than the original. The body's not funky looking Chinese shit anymore. There's a little manual. I'll have to check that out. Oh my god, they zip tied the radio in. Dirty rat bastards. Let's see if I can do this without cutting my fucking finger off. Come on, bitch. There we go. How the hell was it tie? It must have been made in Taiwan, not China. Radio says Fly Sky right on it. I like how these companies are just leaving the Fly Sky branding on it instead of putting some other bullshit on there. We all knew what they were in the old days. This looks just like the radio that came with something. Something I just got came with the same radio. Oh, the RGT I think had a Fly Sky. I don't know how many channels. I'm not really sure. I'll have to look into that. There's at least 3 or 4. Oh, there's 4 channels at least. Steering and throttle reverse. The trim is push button, not dials like the old days. Red LED, green LED, power. Alright, whatever. Pretty cool. Feels good in the hand. Fly Sky is the best budget stuff out there. Has been for a very long time. Come out of there, you son of a bitches. What else we got in here? Ooh, man, it looks pretty. Fighting the cardboard fight. Charger looks a little bit better than the standard wall mount crap. The 8-hour snoozer chargers. HP 3 10-watt single, 2-cell, or 3-cell. Huh. Compact charger. Seems kind of like a quality piece. I don't know. What do I know? I'm just a fucking RC guy on YouTube. That zip tie is broken. The back one is still in there. Oh, they must have treated this very poorly in shipping. Uh-oh, what'd I do with my knife? There it is. Come on, bitch. There we go. Alright. Should be loose. And I didn't poke myself in the eye or finger yet. Let's see what we got. Pull that plastic off. A nice hard wing. Looks like we got to do a little with the ride height. It's not a big deal. That is pretty good looking car for a Chinese HSP thing. Hard plastic spoiler, hard plastic diffuser in the back. Nice, smooth, solid looking chassis. I've watched, there's not much out there. One other review on it. Most memorable part was the kid smoking a porta potty with it and breaking the front suspension on it, which that's going to happen when you hit a porta potty 40 miles an hour. Oh, it's got nice hard plastic louvers on the back window too. The mirrors are an add-on that don't look like they'll snap off in a second. Pretty impressed with the quality of that. The asking price on Amazon is $199.99 on this car. And for some reason, there was a $50 coupon on whatever seller I got this one through. Right, how the hell does this work? Oh, that's tight kitty. No clips for the radio. It's a snap-in, or the battery tray. It's just a snap-in jobby. Huh. That is quite a ready-to-run battery right there, boys. 3,500 milliamp hour. 2S LiPo. Hard case. Sun Padao is the name. That's made in China. Sounds pretty Chinese. 30C. Probably worked pretty good. This is the brushed version. I'm a little bit sad to see that they got rid of the aluminum top chassis plate. This feels pretty rigid though. I don't feel any movement in it. There's a pretty blue aluminum drive shaft down in there. I'm thinking the speed control and receiver are a 2-in-1 unit. I don't know what the servo is. That's buried down in here, but I did hear good things about the servo. Got pretty good looking on-road wheels and tires. Suspension feels pretty adequate. Not that it's that important with an on-road car. See, it's got the knobs on the A-arms to put sway bars on it, front and rear. The upper links are adjustable. The steering links are not. They're just plastic. Looks like a pretty straightforward Turbo Saver setup. Here's another look at it. I'll put a bunch of pictures up on the Facebook page so you guys can see a little better. I'm not real sure what that motor is. The HSP brushed. There's supposed to be a brushless version of this coming out. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep an eye out. This one may turn into a brushless version. I don't know. What I've seen of it, it looks plenty fast enough the way it comes. But next video with this one will be a running video, and we'll find out together. That's it. I don't know how new it is, so I'm not going to call it new, but I will call it the updated HSP on-road car. Pretty impressive. Hex hardware all the way through. Nice foam bumper there. Pretty solid feeling body mounts. Fully adjustable. They look like pretty standard body posts. Pretty cool. Wheels don't look like the strongest thing I ever saw. Not much play in the steering, a little bit. Idiot. Let's see if my garage burns down from LiPo damage. What a dumbass. Oh, you can't fucking take me anywhere. First crash. I do like that snap-in battery shit. We'll see how it holds up. Nope, battery can only go one way. And I don't like how it has to pinch that thing. That's kind of shitty. But whatever. It is what it is. There it is. Badass HSP on-road car. And other Amazon stuff. That's it. Hopefully this camera stayed in focus this time so you guys can fucking see the thing. I will see you later. I'll be back with another video. I got a lot going on around here.